Hey Joshua, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what these are some satin silk pillowcase. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and we did get the lavender color right here. So for these pillowcase right here, they actually have it available in many different colors, such as black, champagne, blue, and the list goes on. And they also have different sizes available for these pillowcase as well. So if you guys want like the standard size, the queen size, the king size, or even like a body pillow size, they actually have all those available, which is pretty cool. So this is basically what the packaging looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like here. So when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice. You can definitely feel like that satin fabric on here or the silk material on here that feels really, really nice. It actually feels really, really soft once you guys touch this part right here. And supposedly with the material that's used on here, it actually helps reduce wrinkles when you guys use it as well. And it's also supposed to help with like keeping your skin hydrated. And it's also supposed to help with like hair breakage as well. And supposedly for the product here, it's supposed to come with a set of 2 of them. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so they provide you guys this piece of paper with all the information that I mentioned. But right here, if you can see, we do have 2 of them right here. And for both of these right here, they are the lavender color. Like I mentioned, they do have a lot of other colors available as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. And also for this part right here, you definitely want to wash it if it's your first time using it. But since both of these are the same thing, let me actually take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice. It actually feels really nice as well with the silk material on here or the satin fabric like I mentioned. When you guys look at the inside right here, they do have like an envelope design right here, so that way it actually keeps the pillow inside and it won't fall off as easy, which is pretty nice. But like I mentioned, we do have the standard size pillow right here. If you guys want like the bigger one, like queen size or king size, or even the body pillow like I mentioned, they do have them available. So this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually throw this in the machine to wash it first and also dry as well. And then we'll actually test it out on a pillow to show you guys what it actually looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we just finished washing the actual pillowcase right here. So I'm just put it on to show you guys how she set it up and also show you guys what she looks like first. So currently I'm using this pillowcase right here that is a cooling pillowcase. But let's put on the new one right here to show you guys what she looks like. So basically I'll open up this part right here and just slide it in. Alright, so just like that. And you basically want to use the envelope design inside right here to actually close up the pillow inside. So that way it actually will not fall out. Alright, so that's what it actually looks like once you guys set it up. Let me do the same thing for other pillow here as well. So for this pillow that we got right here, I actually have it set up with a slimmer product that's from the same brand. This one definitely feels really soft and very silky as well because they use the same satin fabric on here. So I'll just take this out and put on the lavender at this one as well. Alright, so we just want to slide it in right here like this. Alright, so once you guys slide it in, we want to do the same thing on this one. Use the envelope design right here to actually close it up. So that way it actually will not fall out as easy. If you can see, that's what it actually looks like right here. So basically once you guys finish setting up both pillows right here, you can see that this is basically actually looks like right here. So let's put this down and test it out to see how it feels. Alright, so you can see we actually put it right here. This actually looks like right here. And you can see it actually blends so well with the actual bed sheet that we have right here that's from the same brand. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it feels really, really soft and definitely feels very silky as well because of that satin fabric that they use on here. But let's test it out and see how it feels. Alright, so once we actually hop on right here, it definitely feels pretty nice. Both the actual bed sheet that we got right here and also the pillowcase as well, it actually feels really, really nice. Definitely once you guys hop on, you can definitely feel that soft material on here or that silky material on here that feels really, really nice. But definitely once you guys set up the product, it actually works really, really well. So if you guys want to get like the pillowcase and also the bed sheet set that we got right here, you definitely can. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it up, if you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product. Definitely see that actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to actually wash and dry the product. Literally all you have to do is roll this in the machine to wash it and dry it as well. But definitely if you can see when we actually install it, it definitely works really, really well. And I really like how it actually feels in terms of material on here. It definitely feels really, really soft because of the satin fabric that's on here to give you guys that soft, silky feeling. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for some high quality satin pillowcase that definitely give you guys that soft, silky feeling on here. And also if you guys like the way how to design this pillowcase as well in terms of the way how you guys put it in and the way how it actually holds it in with the envelope design, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.